Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charles Dimore. Today I just want to show you things you can't lack in an African compound. Yeah, let's go. Simba. Right here I got some papaya, mangoes, pure organic, aloe vera, lemons. Look, beautiful flowers. I love honey. Hey guys, look, the village life. This is the village life. People are already starting to do the farming. People are already doing the farming. These are all my neighbors. Look out there here. Guys, here I'm out of Nairobi. And to be precise, from here to Nairobi is like 1 good hour. Yeah, from here to my capital city Nairobi, here it's like I'm in the village. So guys, subscribe, check out my YouTube channel. More videos shall be coming. Yeah, be blessed. Yes sir.